Much love and part, you guys. Today we're speaking about how to attract a certain reality into your life. Now, before starting, I want to mention the fact that I do one-on-one coaching sessions. So if you're interested in working with me on a one-on-one level, feel free to contact me and we will actually expand our consciousness. We will expand our energy. We will expand our way of living, and we will get to learn how to attract a new reality in our life. Now, Buddha said that attachment is the root of all suffering, and it is actually true. The more that we are attached to a certain reality, the more that we are attached to a certain desired thing in our life, is the more that we create suffering, resistance, pain, sorrow. Okay, so what I suggest is the first thing is to actually get detached from everything in your life. Get detached and try to find happiness with whatever is standing in your environment. Try to find happiness with who you are right now. Try to find happiness with whatever you have right now in your life. Try to find happiness right here in the present moment. This is actually one good tool for you to release resistance, for you to release attachment, for you to release the pain of your desired thing, because desire also creates suffering sometimes. Now, there is nothing wrong with an authentic desire. There is nothing wrong with you wanting more in your life. What is happening is the fact that you are in resistance with that thing, and you find the lack in not having that thing, and now you actually create suffering. Okay, now you have to realize that the law of attraction works regarding our thoughts, feelings, and actions. Okay, the law of attraction works in such a way that we actually attract with our minds. Okay, we attract with our feelings. We attract to the ways that we actually place ourselves in creating something. Okay, so the thing is the fact that the more that you actually focus on something, is the more that you actually get to attract that thing in your life. Okay, so the more that you place your consciousness in visualizing is very important. Visualize what your passion is. Visualize what your best self looks like. Visualize what you want to create, and then focus on it. That is actually one good way to attract it into your life. Okay, visualization. Visualize what you want to be. Visualize what you want to attract, and then the more that you actually focus that energy on that thing, is the more that you actually get to attract it. Okay, now something that we also have to realize is the fact that we don't necessarily create through action. We create through quantum feelings. We create through transcendence. We create through being at peace with where you are, with where we are. Okay, so being at peace with where we are also leads us into attracting a new reality towards ourselves. Okay, so one good tool for you to create and manifest is to actually find peace with where you are standing. This is powerful. The more that you find your complete self right here, right now, is the more that you actually cleanse blockages, is the more that you cleanse the energies that are not serving you, and it is the more that you will actually be your complete self. Okay, in finding your complete self, you will also find the desired reality. Okay, because inner worlds, outer worlds are connected. The more that we find the potential within, the more that we find the abundance within, is the more that we realize that we can actually be millionaires without having that piece of paper, guys. We can actually be millionaires in our own consciousness. Okay, consciousness is powerful. The more that we learn how to be in tune with ourselves in each moment, is the more that we get to actually attract a magical reality towards ourselves. Okay, so realize that finding inner peace is also about finding whatever you need. Okay, inner peace is powerful. The more that you find the peace with where you are, is the more that you actually get to attract anything that you desire in your life. Okay, so being detached is also about being magnetic. Okay, detachment is actually sexy. Detachment is a good thing. Detachment from anything external outside of yourself will actually give you self-love, and through self-love you get to find peace where you are. Okay, and in finding, the more that you find peace where you are, is the more that you will begin to attract your desired reality. Okay, so be detached, guys, because the secret is within, the power is within, the strength is within. The more that we learn how to master our inner world is the more that we learn how to master the universe. Okay, the moment that you get to know yourself is the moment that you get to know the universe itself. It's that simple. You get to find the inner peace within and realize that you have everything that you need within yourself. Okay, you have the strength, you have the power, you have the ambition, you have the motivation. All that you gotta do is learn how to cleanse your inner world, and from that point on you can actually begin to create freely. You can actually begin to create without attachment. You begin to not be influenced by external factors anymore, and you will get to actually lead outer circumstances with your inner perception. Okay, the law of mentalism says that we create our reality and that everything is mental. Okay, in a higher state of consciousness, in opening our senses, we have the power to create realities. We have the power to create worlds, and our higher self, our inner being, is actually that powerful that can attract a certain reality in our lives, guys. We're that powerful. Okay, we're that powerful. So yeah, find the inner peace. Focus on something that actually makes your heart smile. Focus on something that actually resonates with you. Allow yourself to get detached. Become magnetic while finding the peace within. Become your true self, become your authentic self, and realize that you have the power, through the power of the inner world, to create and attract the reality that you desire. It's all about a recognition of the inner peace. It's all about the energy that you send out. It's all about visualizing what you want to attract. And it's about, this is super important, to focus on the tools that you have right here in the present moment. Focus on the now. Look at your external environment and appreciate it. Gratitude is one of the best tools for you to manifest. Gratitude is one of the best tools for you to be in alignment. Gratitude is happiness. Okay? Happy people are grateful. Grateful people are happy. Okay? Grateful people are happy. Be grateful and see what happens. Okay, so yeah, we have the power to attract the reality, but all we gotta learn is how reality works and how we work regarding reality. It's all mental. It's all based on how we choose to see stuff. Okay, finding the peace within is one of the best tools for you to become abundant. Okay guys, this is today's message on how to attract a different reality in your life. It's about changing your thoughts. The more that you change your thoughts is the more that you change your world. Okay, shift yourself from the inside out and see what happens. Try to make peace with whatever is standing right here right now, and realize that you are a manifester. You are a co-creator with existence. You are co-creating with your higher self. You are that best version of yourself. I trust you guys, and if you need more tools on how to create your reality, if you need more tools on how to expand your knowledge, I'm here for you guys. So feel free to contact me if you want to work with me on a one-on-one level, and you will learn everything that you need to learn in order to improve your life, improve your energy, and improve the state of consciousness that you want to be into in order to build and create the reality that you desire. Okay, so thank you for watching, guys, and see you on what is coming up next. I really love you, I really appreciate you, and thank you for being here with me on this magical journey. Yes, we're going forward, we're not losing trust, and we are realizing that anything is possible. Much peace, and see you on what is coming up next. I love you.